Hello students, this video is on the solutions of the quiz on BODMAS and PEMDAS. Okay, so before getting into the answers or the solutions, let me say you that student ID we have sent you 2 days back an SMS. Okay, please follow that. Please enter the same and don't enter your name or school's name or whatsoever. Please take your IDs from school reception, and at the name you can enter your name and enter the promoted class. Like the 9th student who has completed 9th, he has to keep it as 10th. Okay, so now coming to the solution, the first one, here we need to write BODMAS. Then here first brackets of, that is 1 by 3, so 9 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 be 1 by 3 only, plus 1, and thereafter off, there are no powers, brackets is finished, off is finished. Then comes division. Who is coming first? Division. There is no multiplication over here, so the division. So 3 divided by 1 by 3, what it gives? 3 divided by 1 by 3, it gives 3 into 3 by 1. You know, right? If the symbol changes, we need to exchange the numerator and the denominator. This comes down, this goes up. So 3 into 3, that is 9. Clear? Now the remaining are 9 and plus 1. So 9 minus and plus 1. So here comes addition and subtraction have equal value. So which comes first is solved first. So here comes minus first, so 9 minus 9 is 0, and plus 1, the answer is 1. Second question, we know B, O, T or M or A, S. This is the order. So brackets of is the first, so 15 minus 3 is to be solved because it is in the bracket. So answer is 15 minus 3. Next question, 7 plus 41 divided by 2 minus 15. So B, O, D or M, A or S. This is the order. So first brackets off, so 7 plus 41 is in the brackets, it gives 48, and then divisions are to be solved. Divided by 2, 48 divided by 2 is half of the 48, that is 24. Thereafter addition or subtraction, that is minus 15, so we get answer to be 9. Okay, so this is the answer. Next is 7 plus 12 minus 3 whole square. So first we need to solve what is there in the brackets, B, O, D or M, A or S. So brackets we need to solve, that is 12 minus 3 is 9. Thereafter off means the powers, 9 square, that is 81, and thereafter there is no division and multiplication. Here comes at the last the addition and subtraction. So we have plus 7 over here, this needs to be added. So plus 7 gives 88. So answer is this. Next is 90 minus 5 square into 3. We have the order B, O, D or M, A or yes. So brackets are not there. Off means the powers, 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25, to which we have minus 90 at the before to it. Next to it is 3. Okay, next division or multiplication. Division or multiplication, here we got multiplication. So 25 times of 3 is 75, so 90 minus 75. So 75 if being deleted from 90, we get 15, right? So 15 is the answer. Which operation would you do first in the following expression? 10 minus 9 plus 3 divided by 2. So we know the order, P, O, D or M, A or S. The first one is in the brackets. So what is there in the brackets? Plus. So we do addition first. Next is cube divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 8. So we know the order, B, O, D or M, A or yes. So brackets off. So first solve what is there in the brackets, 7 divided by 7 divided by 8, in which we need to again check the order. Division, only we have division over here, no multiplication. So let us do the division which comes first, we know that first come first serve. So 7 divided by 7 is 1 divided by 8, so 1 by 8 inside the brackets, right? So if I take over this 2 cube over here, the second one is order, right? So what is order? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, so 8 divided by 1 by 8, right? So it can also be written as 8 into 8 by 1. We know if the sign changes, we need to change the denominator to the numerator and numerator to the denominator. So 8 into 8 by 1, that is nothing but 8 into 8 equals 64. Next is 8.8, that is 8 into 8 plus 4 square plus 25. The order is BODMAS. Yes. So there are no brackets. Off goes for powers, that is 4 square is 16, to which 8.8 and 25 have been added. So next is off is finished. Next is division or multiplication. So we have multiplication over here. 8 8 64 plus 16 plus 25. There at the last, addition or subtraction. We have only additions over here. Let us do that. 64 plus 16 plus 25. It gives 15, 3, 4 and 6, 10. 1 of 5 is the answer. Next is 2 into 8 plus 6 divided by 3. We know the order, BODMAS. Yes, so there are no brackets, there are no offs. Rather we have division and multiplication. So which comes first has to be solved first. So here comes division first, sorry, multiplication first, thereafter the division. So first we do this, thereafter this one. So 2 times of 8 is 16 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, right? So 16 plus 2 gives 18. The next one is 60 divided by 10 minus 8. So we know the order to be BODMAS. Yes, so what is there in the brackets is to be solved first. So 60 divided by 10 is 6, and we have minus 8. There are no offs, there are no division, multiplication, we have no addition, only subtraction. That is what remaining over here. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2. The next one seems to be very big, but it's easy once you follow the method. First we need to solve what is there in the brackets. 20 plus 12 divided by 4 into 3 minus 2 into 2. In the brackets, again let us apply the BODMAS, BODMAS. Yes, first the preference is given to brackets. Yeah, we are inside the brackets. And order, we don't have any order, that is the powers, and therefore thereafter we have multiplications and divisions. Let us solve them first. 12 divided by 4 and 2 into 2. It comes first, then comes next multiplication. So 20 remains same. 12 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12. So 3 into 3 as it is, minus 2 2's 4. Let me not finish up with the multiplication. So here 3 3 is 9. 20 plus 9 minus 4. Thereafter the remnants are addition or subtractions. So let us solve this one first as it comes first. So 29 minus 4, it is 25. Okay, and we have the remnants over here. Out of the bracket, what we have is 36 minus 2 times of this bracket plus 10. 2 times of 25 is to be done first, because division or multiplication comes after the brackets or powers. So 225 is 50, to which 36 is over here minus plus 10. So 36 minus 50 is minus 14 plus 10, it gives minus 4. In order to solve these kind of questions, we need to keep all the options into it and check which one goes right. It seems B to be right, so let me consider that first. 7 into 4, the next sign is plus 8, the last one is division divided by 2 must be equals to 42. So here the brackets have to be solved first. 4 plus 8, 12 into 7 divided by 2. So after the brackets we have division or multiplication. Here multiplication comes first, so let us solve this. 7 into 12 is 84 divided by 2, which is equals to 42. Yeah, both are same, so this is the answer, B. Next one is 6 into 9 plus 6 square minus 10. So 6 into 9, we have to solve what is there in the brackets first. 6.9, that is 6 into 9 plus 6 square. This has to be solved, in which first we need to give preference to power, then multiplication. So 6 is 36 plus 6 9s 54, so which gives 6 and 4 10 and 5 6 7 8 9 90. Okay, the remaining over here is minus 10, so 90 minus 10 is 80. 80 is the answer. Since this has been given wrong in the quiz as minus 70, but no need to worry, we have updated and you got the extra marks for that. Next question is 64 minus 6 plus 4 into 2, and we have B, O, D or M or N, A or S. So first we need to solve the things that are in bracket. So in this bracket we need to solve. In that bracket again we have a secondary bracket which needs to be addressed first. So 6 plus 4 is first. 6 plus 4 gives 10, to which we have minus 64 this side and a bracket into 2. And in this bracket we need to solve first. So 64 minus 10 gives 54 into 2, that is 108 is the answer. The last one, 1 plus 3 into 2 minus 2. So BODMAS, BODMAS. Brackets are to be solved first. So here is a bracket 1 number 1. So 1 plus 3 is to be solved first, that is 4, into another bracket, that is 2 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2, which is 0, right? So 4 times of 0 is 0. So this is the answer. Thank you very much.